Oh hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Kuroi Buta Yakisoba, but I think it's curry. I think I want to say it's like Kuroi Buta Curry Yakisoba from Maruchan, Japan. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll go well. So we got our boiling water. Oh, says Mimi. Oh. I know it's got pork. So if you shy away from pork, this is definitely enough for you. There's a couple sachets. You let that kind of hydrate a slight bit. Come on, Governor, get down in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So yeah. So today I am going to the grocery store. What am I getting? Beer? No. Snacks? I might have to get more. Yeah, I have to get more bananas. The banana is a daily feast for the wife and child. The son Miles, who likes to go by the name Baby Shark. I know. But I'm going there and I'm getting two I guess it's not intravenous, no. But 2 shots. I'm getting my flu shot and my COVID booster. Yeah. I was thinking, I wonder if they can do them both in the same arm. That'd be cool, because I do my left, because I'm right arm dominant. And it's like, if I'm like, it doesn't, I mean, I can do everything, but if I've got that dead arm from a shot, they'll probably be like, we can do one and one and one in the other. I heard Fauci say something like, it's like, it's convenient. Go there, get 1 shot in one arm, get your booster in one arm, get your flu shot in the other arm. It's a win. It's very convenient. You can get it all done in the same day. You just do that and you'll be just fine. I'm thinking like, okay. So I looked and see if I qualified. I'm overweight. I qualify. Like, just a quick reminder of your possible extreme mortality. But I guess if I can use it as an advantage, I will. But that's been a tough one lately, I swear. Everything is so delicious. The bread thing doesn't help. And now we got neighbors downstairs. I can't get up at 4 in the morning and walk back and forth in the living room for 4 hours. Just start off the day before anybody else has woken up. I was getting, before 9 a.m., I already had 10 miles of walking back and forth under my belt. And I was able to do like 30,000 steps a day. I haven't done jack yet. It's not, I can't really do anything. They said that they're gone between 10 and 7. That's total BS. They're here smoking pot downstairs all day, filling up my kid's room with stank ass weed. I mean, I have nothing against people getting stoned, but God, sometimes it's just like, you know, I wake up in the morning, you don't really want to smell somebody's just like dead skunk marinating in your basement, basically. But what can you do? Close quarters, apartments. But, you know, they said 10 to 7, and I'm just like, okay, well, that's enough time for me to get all the steps I need done. Not with getting kids to the bus, not with this, not with that. So if I could do it in the morning, like, you know, if I could start at 7, that wouldn't be bad. But I'd like to get up at 4 and do all that walking, get that done, do more during the day. Yeah, I miss being able to be number 1 on my walking junk. But it's a toughie, but we'll figure it out. Okay. So there's that. Drain that off, we'll add the stuff in, stir it up, and then see what happens. Alright? That's what we do here at the Ramen Raider. my number one complaint about a lot of these interesting, funky yakisoba variants, I honestly like it when my yakisoba has color to it. I like it to be like dark and sludgy looking. I don't like it when it looks all like basically you can't distinguish it from a bowl of naked instant noodles. That's just not my thing. I want it to look like coated and stuff. Here's a powder sachet. So there's that. There's definitely curry. That is definitely curry right there. And then we've got a sauce. And that's my daughter. Making lots of noise. Why so much noise, Mimi? Oh. Papa, I'm watching a show. Don't bother me. I'm busy watching a show. You know what she really likes is this kid named Ryan. I am not a fan of Ryan. Or I really don't like his mother. She's just all blah, 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 blah. I swear that kid's gonna be on some form of mental health treatment medication before it's all said and done. I think originally they wanted to do a show about the kid, but I think it's just gravitating towards the mom. And she talks like this all the time, and she won't shut up, and blah, 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 blah. It's like echoes in my mind, especially when the kids turn their tablets up through the roof. You think it's funny? Of course you do. You're my daughter. Of course you're making fun of me. That's good. I'm glad you're having a good time at my expense. So here's the... I'm guessing this is the pork. This is like a leaf of pork. Yeah. Kind of jerky-like. Not bad. Alright. And it does have a nice taste to it from whatever the sauce is, so let's give this a go. Mmm. You know what that makes me think of? It makes me think of like curried popcorn. It's got a very buttery note to it, and then it's got the nice curry going on. But, you know, you can't have enough of the pork. You need to have more. So that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna add some homemade chashu. If you look up easiest chashu recipe, the Ramen Raider, you'll find our recipe. And I'm telling you what, you can make chashu like this in 2 hours. It's super duper easy. You'll have to deal with the fact that you're going to have a bunch of sugar cooking off in your oven and it's going to smoke. But that's okay. It's supposed to do that. You basically shake and bake. You take a pork belly, you roll it up tight, you use butcher's twine to tie it up in a nice log. And then you take a bag with about a cup of sugar and a cup of salt, shake that all up. Take your pork belly, drop it in there, shake and bake, shake and bake. Do it at 250 for 30 minutes. And we like to flip it over. You don't have to, but flip it over. Do another 250 for 30. No, wait. Scratch that. God. Yeah, it's good. First half hour is 400 degrees. Then you flip it over. Another half hour at 400. Then another half hour at, it's either 2 or 250. And then another half hour at 2 or 250. And then it's done, and you just let it rest a while. What we do is we just throw it in the fridge overnight. Then we take it out, take off the twine, and then run it through a meat slicer. And I tell you what, that's a recipe from a guy who used to work at a ramen restaurant named Pete, and I thank that guy every day because it's like all the recipes you usually see on YouTube have like, oh, well, you have to marinate it and braise it and do all this crap. It's like, no, this is the way I want chashu to be. It's easy, it's simple. You just gotta source some pork belly. You can find sugar and salt, can't you? And then it's easy, worthwhile. Look at that meat. Don't you wish you were eating that meat? If you can, also go on YouTube and look up a video. It was a promo video for Hormel Foods way back called This is Hormel. And it's really, really weird. I highly, highly recommend that. You can find it either on the Internet Archive or just wherever you look for stuff that's video. Guess I better use all this spring onion since I'm not going to use it in the next dish. Yeah. A crescendo. A beautiful mountain. There we go. And then a little bit of sesame seed. But yeah, you gotta watch that. There's like all these great quotable little bits, like imagine yourself eating this meat, things like that. It's good stuff, very kitschy, good for a party. You got a bunch of people around, just throw that on. It'll be comedy gold. True comedy, dude. True comedy. Just have a couple buddies that would say it's like, dude, real true comedy, genius. Ah. Whoops. There we go. All right, Rotato, take it away with this curry yakisoba. All right, well, cool. The next one you'll see will be this. It's curry seafood from Kampong. Should be good. I'll go clean that up. Bye.